Here in Washington, senators are pointing fingers during the confirmation for Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh. The dispute is over whether key documents are being withheld from lawmakers. A new email by Kavanaugh dealing with Roe v. Wade is also disclosed. Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi joins us from the hearing. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. Critics say in that email, Kavanaugh suggests the landmark ruling legalizing abortion was not settled law. At the time, he was reviewing a potential editorial in support of two judicial nominees while working in the George W. Bush White House. Today, senators, including a leading Democrat, asked about it.
In an email to a Republican Senate aide, Brett Kavanaugh wrote in 2003, "I am not sure that all legal scholars refer to Roe as the settled law of the land at the Supreme Court level, since court can always overrule its precedent, and 3 current justices on the court would do so."
This has been viewed as you saying that you don't think Roe is settled.
I thought that was not quite accurate description of all legal scholars, because it referred to all.
The Judiciary Committee's top Democrat kept pressing.
Did you work on any issues related to women's reproductive health or choice?
President Bush was a pro-life president, and so his policy was pro-life, and those who worked for him, therefore, had to assist him, of course, in pursuing those policies.
Republican Orrin Hatch of Utah asked the Catholic judge how his faith impacts his rulings.
Senator, my religious beliefs have no relevance to my judging. I judge based on the Constitution and laws of the United States. I take an oath to do that.
A debate dominating part of the hearing is over Kavanaugh's paper trail from his years in the Bush White House. The Trump administration is not releasing all of them. Democrats are mad.
I'm going to release the email about racial profiling, and I understand that the penalty comes with potential ousting from the Senate.
When threatened by the number 2 Senate Republican, Booker did not back down.
Bring the charges, Mr. Chairman.
Now, that email that Senator Booker released shows that Brett Kavanaugh was against racial profiling after 9/11. An interesting twist, both the Department of Justice and President Bush's office say they approved releasing it before the hearing began today. Lauren?
Many protesters and senators' questions have focused on abortion during the hearing. The president is weighing in. He said that he's been pleased with Kavanaugh's performance so far.
That's right, Lauren. And a reporter asked the president yesterday if he has kept his promise to appoint judges who will overturn Roe v. Wade. The president didn't answer a yes or no on that question, but he did say the hearing is very interesting to watch, and he looks forward to Judge Kavanaugh discussing that issue.
No litmus test. Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi. Thank you, Jason.